Good morning, everyone. Today, I will show you how you can create an EKS cluster with using the Appscode UI. So for that, first of all, you need the AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key. So I have already created that. Here, just go to the IAM users. You should find your username. Go to security credential and just click on create access key with the CLI. So you should be able to create your own access key and secret access key ID. So I have mine. I'm showing that because I'll remove this out after the demo. And then you need the self-host setup. So if you follow my previous video, I have already showed you that how you can set up a self-host using AWS EC2. So I have my EC2 instance running. And in this EC2 instance, I am running my self-host UI. And this is the base ACE UI where all the UI components are installed. Now, basically our target is using that secret credentials, AWS secret credentials. I am going to create an EKS cluster now. So first of all, you need to create a secret with that AWS creds. So switch back to your admin account and click on platform. Go to the settings page and you should see the credentials on Kubernetes section. Now click on create credential and choose the type to AWS. Let's name it to EKS or something. And let's copy the access key and secret key. So this is the access key. And this is the secret key. Perfect. So an EKS credential has been created. Now go back to the console UI again and switch back to your organization where the ACE cluster is imported. Now click on add cluster and we are interested in EKS. Click on the EKS credential and I'm going to create a new cluster. So let's click on that. What can be the cluster name? Let's name it EKS team or something. The region I want to choose the AP Southeast one because my VM is running on that one. Yep. This is a typical CIDR VPC CIDR range. So any valid CIDR ranges will go on this. So no problem. I'm putting 10.1.0.0/16. Now the machine type. I'm going to I have tried 7A large something, I think. Let's go this one. C7AX large. Let's find out if that is here. No. So let's choose this one. I think this is enough for demo purpose. And I'm choosing the cluster profile as the AWS DBase. You should be able to see what are the components and features will be installed by default. So the kubedb components that is responsible for running the databases. The copy components like cluster autoscaler, cluster presets, copy ops manager. These are the copy components. So we internally use cluster API project. This cluster API project internally for cluster creation and so on. And these are the features, supporting features that kubedb needs, like a set supervisor and so on. So that's it. And I'm not giving the cluster display name, so the EKS demo is the default name. It should be showed here. Let's click on create. And the cluster creation has been started. So finally, the cluster has been created. Let's click on the go to cluster details. Let's see what is there. And you should see that all the features we have selected are currently ready now. And if we confirm that from the Appscode AWS console, let's do that also. Let's check the EKS clusters currently. Also in the UI, you should be able to create the databases from now on. If we go to the Appscode UI and try to create a random database, let's say for example Postgres, I'm just uh, keep a standalone Postgres. Click on deploy. Perfect. And you can connect with this cluster using this connect button. So just download that one, and you should be able to use that kube config to access that cluster. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.